Hi everyone, this is Dalis for Kat Scrappiness. Welcome. Today I am introducing the new layer Santa hat stencils. This is a two-part stencil. They are 6 by 6 in size, and this is the top part, and it is the red part of the hat and then the fluffy or white part of the hat. This stencil is pretty easy to put together. So first you color with whichever hot color, but here I wanted an ombre look with the red going from like dark red brick to a lighter color. And then I am positioning the second part of the stencil, and I will be using the Kat Scrappiness acrylic structural gel, the crystal pearls, the shimmer ice color for this. These are teeny tiny little pearls that are in the gel. Then they will sparkle when they are dry. You are going to love them. Here is the gel. The gel comes at the beginning with a little plastic secure that you have to like rip out, and then you can use it. I am using a metal spatula, and I am going in a direction and an angle to make sure that I cover all the little parts of the stencil. And after that, pull the stencil while it's wet and let it dry. This one actually dries pretty fast. I was very impressed by it. And here is a look of the stencil while it's wet. It has such a nice shimmer because it also has some holographic glitter on it. So it's perfect. You will love the structure gel. Give it a try. It's perfect for this Santa layered stencil. Now, let me show you the card that I created. It's using the Merry Grinchmas card. It also uses the snow flurry, and as you can see on the left side, you have the Santa hats layered stencil.